只要你自己去努力。
Keep striving, work harder than anyone else. Do something meaningful for your country and for humanity.
In May 2026, the winners of the 47th Telly Awards were announced. A short film about Dong Mingzhu won the Silver Award in the Biography category. What moved the international judges was the unwavering commitment to technological innovation shown throughout the film. At Gree, we call this steadfastness, the Gree determination. People might perceive her as strong-willed, but that strength stems from a deep conviction, a relentless pursuit of product excellence and innovation. It was this conviction that drove her from a frontline salesperson to the helm of a 100 billion yuan enterprise. Her story of perseverance mirrors the rise of China's manufacturing industry, from a follower to a global leader. One embodiment of this achievement is the Gree Jinwan Smart Factory. It represents Gree's most advanced manufacturing technologies. Out of 103 production processes, 86 are automated. All key processes are fully unmanned, increasing efficiency by 200%. All core equipment on the line is independently developed by Gree.
Our greatest value lies in bringing meaningful change to people's lives.
Let technology serve what matters most, better lives. Let China's intelligent manufacturing benefit the world. Gree innovation, powering the world.